How you living? How you feeling? Versatile Squad, y'all. As y'all can see, got a couple packages behind me. We in the Versatile Garage, y'all, man. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Be greatly appreciated. If we in the Versatile Garage, man, that normally means we got some type of install or something going on, right? Not the case today. Not the case. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, we got some goodies coming to the truck already. And y'all seen the truck, what happened to it. I just got it. If you haven't seen that video, man, go check it out right there, man. Your boy Versatile can't catch a break. Lost a vet. Y'all see the wheel still right there, man. Got a truck not too long ago. Engine blow on that. They don't want to cover it, so I guess this a sign from God saying you came into the game with a cam vet, you know. Might as well go ahead and cam the truck. No, I'm not trying to make it an old race truck, nothing like that. It's a new engine that I'm putting into the truck, y'all. So, that being said, Chevy got this DOD delete, displacement on demand. Mopar got the MDS system, multi-displacement system. So, that's bad for the engine. That's where it cuts. For those of y'all who don't know, it cuts from 8 cylinders to 4 cylinders. So, instead of being in V8, it goes to V4 to save gas. It really don't make that much of a difference, y'all. So, with that being said, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. So, what we have coming to the vet. That's at the vet. What we have coming to the truck. See, we got FIC on there. Fuel Injector Clinic. You know we had to go with them big 650 fuel injectors, y'all. From Fuel Injector from Clinic. Then, of course, we got to add that big Hellcat fuel pump. Oh, he must be doing more than a little MDS delete. Is that a 180 thermostat right there? Got to keep that thing cool. Who is FRP? Oh, snap. I think we got a... Is this a cam kit in here? Yeah, man, this little cam kit unboxing from FRP, by the way, y'all. Let me see. Got your gaskets right there, your head gaskets. What's this? Another set of gaskets, timing cover gasket. You get new bolts, y'all, with it. What's the lockout kit for your phaser? Hellcat lifters. We getting straight into it, man. Let's see how the lifters looking. Ooh, got them big Hellcat lifters, y'all. So this is another reason why I'm doing this cam, man. Here's another problem with the Hemi. I want to get rid of all the kinks and bugs that the truck got, y'all. I want a brand new truck when I get it back. So the regular 5.7 Hemi lifters also are an issue, and that could have been the fatal cause of my engine, but we don't know because we wasn't in the engine when it happened. Yet they want to say this right here, this single bolt shearing off, which is the cam phaser bolt. It sheared off, and they're saying that caused the engine to break. So we just gonna eliminate all these problems, y'all. Get these back in the box. We're gonna eliminate all these problems from the get-go, since it's gonna be a brand new engine, y'all. I don't want it cutting no cylinders. I want all power, all 8 cylinders at all times. Oh, we got our hardened push rods. I'm gonna get those in the light for y'all, because he got them branded with FRP Flying Ryan Performance right there, y'all, as y'all can see. And let's see what else we got. All these are lifters. These are lifters. You get 4 sets of Hellcat lifters, y'all. Boom, boom, boom. You also get a I forgot the bolt for this, y'all. I think the timing chain bolt, because you can't have to take it off for. Oh no, that's the limiter bolt. You get another limiter. Here are the MDS plugs too, y'all. You get a set of MDS plugs so once you remove them, the MDS, you don't have to add these, but to clean it up, make it look neat, you know, you can add these. I'm gonna have them put that in. Then we got our valve springs, y'all. Valve spring shims. Y'all see them right there, man. Come on now. Some more gaskets. he sent all the gaskets, y'all. So that was another thing too. With doing the engine swap, y'all, you gotta swap over the timing cover gasket, the head gasket, no, not the head gasket, just the timing cover gasket, the water pump, and a couple miscellaneous gaskets. This kit comes with all that. You can't just order the camshaft. I know y'all waiting for it. We about to get into it. You can't just order the camshaft, but if you in a predicament like me and you have no other choice but to upgrade, you might as well go big or go home and get the whole kit, man. It come with everything you need. Let's see what we got here. Got our packed valve springs, y'all. Let's see if we can open these up for y'all real quick. It's kind of hard doing this one hand, not gonna lie to y'all. On top of this, y'all, you get a brand new car after doing. Oop, there go the valve springs. It actually came out. Hold on. I'm gonna have to pause the video, y'all, and put these springs back in because I do not want them to. We'll be right back. Oh, we might be able to. Oh, we one-handed that thing. Got that thing back in there. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes, which I really came to see, y'all. What does that say right there? Custom grind camshaft. Sheesh. We didn't get the drop-in rods and pistons. I was debating about it. I was like, it can wait until that blower comes. Wait, before we get into that, who introduced me to this? Why is this even happening? Because when I got the truck, I said I wasn't gonna do nothing to it. Y'all was gonna stay stock. Then the engine blew. Then they ain't want to replace it. And it's like, damn. Then I come across this video and I see this truck. Did y'all hear that? That's coming from a 5.7 Hemi, y'all. I was like, I gotta have that sound, y'all. I don't care what I gotta do. I gotta hear that from my truck. What? Y'all seen your boy was on the fence about getting a TRX. Why get a TRX when I can build one? You feel me? That's where I'm going with this, y'all. I'm about to build my TRX, y'all. Cat's out of the bag. It's coming soon, y'all. I guess you can say I'm officially a Mopar guy because got the Chrysler out there. Damn. But I am coming back, Chevy. I am coming back. Don't worry. Now, since he convinced me to go ahead and cam my truck, there goes that FRP again, y'all. He got his branding on everything. Let me show y'all which one I got. There we go, right there. Let's see if the camera will focus. It won't focus. There we go, y'all can see it right there. We got the Tomahawk 2.0 cam, y'all. So the Tomahawk is one of his max performance stock piston setup cam. So it's basically a stage 3. I don't know too much of the aesthetics on it. For some reason, it didn't come with a cam card. I'm guessing because it's fairly new. It doesn't matter though, because I'm taking it to Flying Ryan Performance to get it tuned. So that's really for your tuner. Kind of got everything all over the place right now though, y'all. It's been a while since your boy did a video, so excuse me for being a little messy. Then we also got, this did not come in the kit by the way. We also got AFR gauge, just so we can accurately tune the vehicle. Also, it's gonna play a big role, even though this is an NA car or NA truck, this is gonna play a big role in tuning the truck, getting it really dialed in, especially once I get that TorqStorm supercharger, man. Y'all heard, let's hear that one more time, just one more time. Man, that's gonna play a big part. Then you know we're gonna have to get a boost gauge, so we're gonna we gotta have somewhere to put that. We're gonna go ahead and put a pillar up, man. Put it in the A pillar, y'all. Have it sitting nice in the truck. I never imagined I'd do this, but it's like, why not? Then, to help relieve some of that strain from the engine, we're gonna get rid of that stock fan clutch, y'all, that connects to the engine and is driven by the engine and go straight to the electric fan, y'all. We're gonna use that battery more. That's gonna, I've heard it gave some people 1 to 2 extra miles per gallon. but it also relieves the stress off the engine, y'all, from that extra wear and tear from that belt, having to drive that fan. So it's like a why not upgrade. Haven't heard people having any problems. So plus we got that 180 thermostat, y'all. It's gonna turn on right away with it. Y'all let me know, was this a good choice? Was this a good decision? Me being in the predicament that I am in, having to throw a new engine in the truck, why not go ahead and, you know, bulletproof it while the engine's out of the truck? With that being said, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and throw y'all little giblets. All this that I'm doing to the truck is gonna be cheaper than what the dealership was gonna charge me just to throw a new engine in the truck. I got a rebuilt engine, cammed it, what else? Tuned it, new stall converter, that's not here right now. That's what I'm waiting on right now. That's the only thing, one of the only things missing. I'm missing the stall converter, 3400 stall converter, and my Texas Speed 2-inch to 3-inch collector, long tube headers. Those are the only things missing from this picture right now, y'all. But other than that, we'll be complete by next week, hopefully. I lied. And then we gotta unlock the computer for the truck. It's always one little extra thing you forget you gotta do. But sheesh, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. Is this worth it? Would y'all do this if y'all was in the same situation? And is this a good decision to build my own Ram TRX, man? Y'all let me know in the comment section down below, y'all. That's gonna be it for this one, man. Y'all remember, stay versatile. Treat each day like it's y'all Friday, man. And go at it like it's y'all last. We out.